Hey everyone, Lauren here. We're here with Evan. He's getting so big. I know the last time we made a video together, it's been a while. There's been a lot going on, of course, around the world, and we actually moved from the Bay Area and back down to LA. So we're happy to be back. We are excited to share a little toy unboxing with you guys today. We received a lovely package from Lovevery. Some toys that I've been wanting to check out for a long time, and he is loving them. So we will show you guys everything that's inside. I wanted to show a close-up of us opening the box so you could really see what came inside, because of course with the two kids they want to let loose and have everything everywhere. Everything in these kits is just so beautiful, and I love that it's a lot of fabric and wood items. So this little cube is really fun, and as you'll see, like, everything to open it requires a little bit of fine motor skill action, putting all of that in, opening the doors. This came with some balls, and of course they're throwing the balls all over the place. Everyone's throwing the balls. Can I have a ball? Can I have a ball? Okay. Things like that. This puzzle matching up the veggies. So cute. Oh. This is such a cute little puzzle. We have all the pieces around, of course. And yeah, Evan right now is playing with this. You want to show? Want to show? I'm going to stack them. So you can put the pegs into the circle, or you can stack them up. You want to stack? Look at that. Oh, on the floor. He wants to do it on the floor. And of course the kids have both been fighting over this flashlight. Michaela, she is almost 5. She'll be 5 in the fall. She loves all of these toys too. I feel like these are such a great toy, like, for the age group that they come for, but even beyond that. I've kind of noticed that, like, the bigger kids, when they come over or going somewhere, like, they don't just gravitate toward, like, big kid type of toys. They love everything, and especially, like, using their skills and things that they know how to do. Like, it's really fun. And of course with the last play kit came this little car track, and she's always trying to play with that and take it into her room. But yeah, this is such, like, a great set. The kit that we just got in the mail was the 19, 20, 21 months, and it's the Realist kit. So this little guide comes with a lot of information. First, like, everything that's inside the box, and then it goes through each tab, like, telling you, like, what about how to use the toys, about how to, like, play with just you two, and then using, like, things that are in your home or in your environment to play and then grow the skills of this age group. She took my ball. Here. Do you have a ball that you want? I'm sorry. Witness firsthand about fighting over toys, which is fun at this age. Yeah. She has the ball you want. She does. Do you want a different ball? Do you want a different ball? Not right now? Okay. So anyway, this is great for, I'm not gonna go over all of it on camera because it is long and it's good to just like sit down and read it while you guys are opening up the box and playing with the toys. But so many fun things in every box. They've of course like cycled through everything, and they're gonna cycle through it a million more times to go play. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll share a link on how to go sign up to get your kits. And yeah, that's it.